Hey, so let's talk about something. This so-called gelatin trick, right? It's something that has been getting quite the buzz. It is something that still lots of people feel lost towards it because other places don't really explain what it is, although you are seeing lots of people putting this into their daily routines. And I am just here to clear up the air, okay? I want you to fully understand what this gelatin trick is before you start with it. So, on that note, let me just tell you guys. All right, gelatin trick, right? It is a daily habit. It's a daily habit that you incorporate into your routine. Now, the beauty behind the gelatin trick is how easy it is to make it and with ingredients you have around your household. So, the gelatin trick is actually it's this daily thing where you're going to start to feel lighter on your feet. It's something that's going to bring back the energy you've somehow lost and I don't know, make you happier, you know? Lots of people are using this gelatin trick. Lots of people are finding comfort through it. And I do know that if you start incorporating this into your morning routine, which works best, you're going to as well. All right. So I do know that you want to get the full know about it. You want to understand what the gelatin trick is. And that's why I'm here to help you guys by leaving their link, their official webpage, in the description box of this video. I also did pin it on the very first comment below, so you can be checking that out as well so you won't miss it, okay? But this is your health, and I'm pretty sure that if you are a person who popped up in this video, you are a person who thinks about your health, who always wants to be better, right? So don't miss out on that link because I'm pretty sure that you are going to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily habit as well, okay? Bye.